Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, here we are, Performance Unlimited. I have one of our customers here, Gilbert. He's been with me for the last 2 days. He came in to buy an engine. We showed him around, and he asked if he could be part of his project by, me showing him how to build the motor, and I'll build it in front of him, and then come back the next day to do a dyno. So I'd like to ask Gilbert, what do you think of Performance Unlimited?
It has been amazing. I have been looking around for a good builder, engine builder, and I found these guys. And it's not only that has been great, they are really friendly and nice, and they have been so open with us. But then also I'm amazed with the quality of the work they do. We spent yesterday the whole day on the building of the engine. It's unbelievable how Matt and Doug and Steve know about engines, all the little details to make the engine perform better and last longer. It's unbelievable, and I have been, on a blast on what I have seen. And today we had the experience of turning on the engine and putting on the dyno, and the performance of the engine has been over my expectations. Has been just great.
Thank you, Gilbert. I really appreciate it. And again, I really appreciate when people come and want to see me work, and I try my best. I'm still learning, but what can I tell you?
After all these years of doing this great job you do, and still learning, hard to believe. But thank you so much. That's been great.
Cool. Thanks.
Thank you.
Be a son of a gun. Look at that.